A few months ago, I decided to start making my own natural cosmetics. I was interested in using products that were good for my skin and the environment. I read that homemade cosmetics can be healthier and free of chemicals. First, I researched recipes online. I found simple recipes for lip balm, face masks, and body scrubs. I was surprised to see that I already had many of the ingredients in my kitchen, like coconut oil, honey, and sugar. I started by making a lip balm. I melted beeswax and coconut oil together, then added a few drops of peppermint oil for flavor. Pouring the mixture into small containers was a bit tricky, but it cooled into a nice, soothing balm. Next, I made a sugar scrub. I mixed sugar with almond oil and added lavender oil for a relaxing scent. It was so easy to make and felt great on my skin. Making these cosmetics was fun and rewarding. My friends and family were impressed with my creations and asked me to make some for them too. It's a hobby that makes me feel creative and helps me take better care of my skin.
Why did the person decide to make their own cosmetics? What was the first cosmetic product the person made? How did the person's friends and family react to the homemade cosmetics?